Fox News Storm Team.
Hi, I'm Aubrey. Hi, Tom. How's the weather?
Have you ever just run into somebody that just melted your heart? That was Aubrey. She was at the KX Sports Show, just a sweetie pie, and I had to get her recorded. I had to record her and put her on TV. Aubrey, thank you so much for doing that. You know, it's not going to be seriously cold tonight, warm and breezy tomorrow. And basically, you could take tomorrow's forecast and copy and paste it for Wednesday, even though Wednesday might be a little bit windier. Other than that, it's pretty close. And no Arctic air mass this week. That is going to be a nice little treat. And I know this morning, because I was on earlier this morning, and even though it was dark, I could tell there was more snow in the Bismarck area because of what went through overnight. But a lot of it has melted already today in Bismarck. The normal high temperature is now 40 degrees, so it has a 4 on it. That's something, isn't it? 45, so it's above average. And Minot, the normal high temperature, not quite 40, at 38, but still in Minot hit 40. So again, above normal, a little bit breezy in Minot. Here are a few other temperatures. Even Rolla has hit 30 degrees, and all winter long, that's been one of the coldest spots in our neck of the woods. But 54 in Hettinger, Sidney, Montana at 55. And you kind of see the difference between the southwest and the northeast where the temperature bands are setting up there. Wind is roughly 10 to 20 miles an hour, not terribly windy, but it is going to be breezy more often than not for the rest of the week. And then tonight at 7 o'clock, don't see any snow. Like last night there was some snow. And then tomorrow morning, early in the day, and when I left here at noon today, this computer model was indicating maybe a few sprinkles or snowflakes in the north central tomorrow during the day, and I don't see it there any longer, so new data has improved that. And it looks like by 2 o'clock tomorrow afternoon, again, there might be a couple of sprinkles, but nothing really big or substantial. And obviously, we would like to get a lot of moisture into the ground, but this isn't going to be one of those soaking rain events. And I think this probably looks worse than it really is. There are some chances of rain tomorrow night. It might be a wintry mix. That easily could happen, but this is one of those cases where I think it's going to look worse than it really is. And then by Wednesday morning, it looks like there still could be a couple little sprinkles here or there. But just to give you an idea of what's up here, what we're looking at for the next several days are temperatures in the 40s and 50s, and there will be some 60s across some areas of western North Dakota, mainly the southwest. So for the next 72 hours in Dickinson, daytime temps in the 50s for the next 72 hours, nighttime mid-20s, low 30s, and it is going to be breezy, if not windy. Now, Williston may not be quite as warm, but it's also going to be pretty blustery with temperatures in the 40s and 50s over the next 72 hours. So temperatures tonight, 20s and 30s, and I mentioned it at the top of the news. Last week, this would have been great for daytime highs. These will be our lows tonight, and high temperatures tomorrow, even warmer to the northeast. Turtle Mountains could get into the mid-30s. That would be above freezing, right? But look at this. Hettinger and Bowman and the whole southwest could hit some 60s there. So here's a look at the Bismarck 7-day outlook. And, you know, I know we talked about this Friday, being able to look at these numbers and not see any minus signs in front of them. I do want to point out, though, there is some indications that next week we might get into more of an active weather pattern, but it's a long way away. This week, we can just enjoy this.
Enjoy it while we can, for sure.
Yes, love seeing all those 40s and 50s, Tom. Thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, next in our